Hello and welcome to day 62 of Bedtime Welsh. Wow, you've come a long way. So we're going to give you a monster today. We're going to give you a couple of old monsters and see if you can remember them, and then a little bit of new stuff. So first up, can you drag out from your memory how to say, I'm going to start to feel nervous, or I'm going to start feeling nervous?
Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus.
Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus. And now something that follows on quite naturally from that, another monster we haven't done for a while. If you ask me what the answer is, can you remember that one? If you ask me what the answer is.
Os wyt ti'n gofyn I mi beth ydi'r ateb.
Os wyt ti'n gofyn I mi beth ydi'r ateb. And if you can, try and put those two together on your own time if you can manage to remember them all in one go. So now a little bit of easier stuff, a new word. And the new word for today is television. And television in Welsh is just teledu. Teledu. So can you give me television?
Teledu.
Teledu. So how about if you can remember from yesterday, watching television or to watch television?
Gwylio teledu.
Gwylio teledu. Okay, so how about to want to watch television?
Isio gwylio teledu.
Isio gwylio teledu. And I'm going to try and trip you up a little bit here, see if I can. Can you remember the change that came with going to watch television?
Mynd I wylio teledu.
Mynd I wylio teledu. And if you got that right, you're doing fantastically well, because grown-ups often find it really quite complicated to remember. It's isio gwylio teledu, but mynd I wylio teledu. So if you got that right straight away, you're doing brilliantly. And if you haven't, it really doesn't matter, because the more you hear it, the more obvious it will seem. So that's all for today, and we'll have some more stuff for you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!